Hello there, I'm down at the lovely wee village of Creetown, which is just south of Newton Stewart and no far away from the English border. This is the main street I'm walking along here on a lovely day after quite a bit of rain. And as you can see, it's not too far away from the coast. The coast is about a 10-minute walk there, just the other side of that main road. But this is a great place to come to use as your base if you want to do a bit of travelling about the area. Maybe nip over to Stranraer or look about, because even although it's a lovely picturesque wee town, the accommodation here is very good, very cheap for what you get. I'm staying at a wee place called the Bar Home, and I can absolutely recommend it for anybody who's nipping this way to spend a couple of days. A fantastic wee room, there's a wee kitchenette where I can cook anything I would like as well. A wee shop just a 2-minute walk from the accommodation, so it's really lovely. But there's a nice clock right in the centre of the high street, and I'm walking towards that, a clock tower. And there's a gem rock museum here, which is quite interesting for anybody who's into stains and things like that. That's the Ellengowan Hotel across there, and I think it's been shut for a wee while now, probably since COVID happened. It's been shut, which is a pity because you used to be able to get quite a nice evening meal in there. There's a clock tower. Just up this way, there's the park. And Creetown used to be quite famous for its country music festivals that it would put on every year, back in the day when they were really highly attended, and you used to get thousands and thousands of people coming from all over Scotland and the north of England into Creetown just for the country music festivals. But COVID kind of put a kibosh on that, and there hasn't been a festival here for a couple of years. But this is the park where the festivals used to take place. And this park is actually the King George V playing field, and here's the entrance to it here. Here's where the festival would take place, right in this park, and you'd have thousands of people wandering about in a couple of stages, tents, with different acts going all the time. A wonderful place to come. And just along here is the Gem Rock Museum. And so for the last flight, we'll go up around the church that I walked up to during the week when it was raining, and you can see what it's like now that it's not raining. So let's send Lassie up for a wee look around the church.